Hello and welcome to SPSS Class 2 from Part S4. So now we want to recode so it matches up with these headings here, because we ultimately want to compare with this kingdom table. So the numbers have to be in categories, so we can do that with a recode. So recode to a different variable, and the original variable is going to be school fees, obviously, and the new variable is going to be fee code, or fee group, sorry. And you can put a label in, say in case you're not sure what that is. And the old and new values. And this is the bit that takes a bit of time, because now we want for the first category to be everything between 0 and 100. So we have to use this range thing here. So we put 0 and then 100 there. And that's going to be coded as 1. Okay. And then everything from 101, because they're all not 1001, they're all to the nearest whole number. Up to, what's the next one? 200. Call that 2. And then everything from 201 up to 500. It's going to be as 3. And then 501 and so on. Well, I'll pause this and put the rest of it in. So there I've filled it in up to the final category, or almost the final category, up to 2,500. I've coded that as 8. However, we've got to bear in mind that the table, even though it only goes up to there, I didn't answer this question. Did any of the data used have over 2,500 per month? That's why this is a bit strange, this table we're looking at here. Because even though that's the top category, it says 98.2% have up to that. So this is the percentage of 90% in the case of chassis car, which means that there's another 10% or another 70% over that value. So this table doesn't actually show all the data because there's a few percent in each case that are above that. So I want to, because I've got the data I'm trying to analyse, I've got to give them a category to go into. So I'm going to create another category for those for over 2,500. And everything bigger than that goes into there. So the way we do that here is, instead of using this range, you use this thing, range through highest. So it means 2501, it's kind of an American phrase, through is got up to, I believe, 9. So 2501 up to whatever the highest is goes into category 9. That's a bit better. Okay, and they can continue with that. Yeah, hopefully we've got this ready. So it creates the fee group. So now we've got the fee group, so this is in group, so 1 means 0 to 100 and so on. Now we really want to label this so it appears nicely on the screen on any charts and tables we produced. So now we've got to go through the work of labelling that. So that's using this kind of thing, so we've got to put this in for the fee group here. So group 1 is going to be from 0 to 100, and 2 is going to be from 101 to 200, and so on. So again, I'll pause it and put the rest of them in. Yeah, so I've put the rest of those in. Hopefully not made any mistakes. Looks okay. There's a slight mistake there. That should be 751. So if you find it slightly wrong, you can just change them like that. 1,500. Okay, so that's fine. These aren't critical because these are only labels. It won't affect the calculation. Just affects the way it appears. So that's all in there. And then go back to data view, and then these are now being labelled. So it all seems good. Get rid of the labels and look at the numbers if you want. That's what it looks like with the labels. So that's coded the fee group, and in the next video we'll look at doing some cross tabulations and other tables with that. But for now, thank you for watching.